Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: oil level, drain valve position, and that the regulator and hose are tight. Once done, set the regulator low and switch the unit OFF before powering. You plug in the compressor, stand clear of the outlet, and then flip the switch to on. Let the motor build pressure to the cutout PSI. This primes the pump and seat seals. Make sure to watch the gauge. The unit will stop automatically at the designed pressure. You now set the working pressure. Adjust the regulator to the PSI required by your tool and lock the knob. Once set, bleed the hose quickly to remove air and connect your tool. Use short bursts for nail guns and continuous flow only within the compressor's duty cycle to avoid overheating. Keep an eye on both tank and regulated gauges. If pressure drops or cycles too often, reduce load or increase recovery time. Make sure to follow tool-specific connections to prevent leaks or damage. You finish by switching OFF the compressor, unplugging, and opening the tank drain until no moisture remains. Once drained, wrap the hose and store the unit upright in a dry place. If the compressor won't build or hold pressure, check for loose fittings, worn seals, or a clogged intake filter. Tightening or replacing these parts usually fixes leaks. If the motor trips, reset the thermal switch after a cool down. When in doubt, stop and inspect. Continue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.